In this video, we will present the improved user interface for daily planning in the Pantheon MF license. The feature allows you to easily plan the daily manufacturing schedule by shift. Let's look at an example. The person responsible who prepares the daily plan, for workers by shift, can now easily select, schedule and review the daily plan items. In the status bar, released work orders can be sorted by their status. The status open refers to work orders on which work has not yet been performed or the quantity has not yet been received. The status in progress refers to work orders on which work has been performed or a quantity has been received. The status delayed refers to work orders for which the manufacturing deadline has already passed. And finally, status high priority refers to work orders with a high priority. On the list of work orders, the person responsible checks the quantities produced and the operations required, which are then allocated to resources. When selecting a worker, the person responsible now sees more information, so that it is easier to assign the worker to an operation according to their availability and competencies. Finally, the person responsible can monitor the quantities produced and the quantity of bad and good pieces. These fields need to be set as visible in the document type under Daily Plan, where several different options for comparing quantities are available. This makes it even easier and more efficient for the person responsible to define the daily plan for production. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.